Hello everyone, myself Karuna Jayesh Patil. I am working as a teacher in Maharashtra's most reputed institute, Pratap Vidya Mandir, Taluka Chopra, District Jalgaon. Today we are going to discuss about the triangle and some properties of triangle. And with the help of activities, we are going to verify the properties of triangle. Now first of all, what is meant by triangle? As the name suggests, tri means three and angle means angle. So triangle, it's a closed figure which is made up of three angles, or you can define triangle as a polygon with three edges and three vertices. On the basis of length, triangles are divided, or it is having a types as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And on the basis of angles, triangle is further divided as acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle triangle. Now let's see about the properties of triangle. All the properties of triangle are based on its sides and angles. Let's learn here some of the fundamentals of the triangle by knowing its property. First property of triangle: the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now this property is also applicable for all the type of triangles. Doesn't matter which type of triangle it is, but the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now for the verification of this property, we are going to perform one activity here. Okay, so we are going to perform an activity which is a verification of first property of triangle, that is the angle sum property. For that activity, I have used here a triangle which is a cutout of paper. Then I mark here angle A, angle B and angle C. Now what is the first property of triangle? First property of triangle is sum of all the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now this is the first angle, second angle and third angle. If you are able to see here, it forms a semicircle which is a 180 degree. So this activity, it verifies the first property of triangle, that is the sum of angle of triangle, it is a 180 degree. Now let's discuss about the second property of triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, and this property of triangle is called exterior angle property. To verify this property, we are going to do one activity. Now let's see the activity. Now this is the activity to verify second property of triangle, that is the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. To verify that property, here we are using a same cutout which we use to verify first property of triangle. In this for this property, we extend the line BC so that we can get an exterior angle. So the second angles which I use, this is your angle B and this one is angle A. Now what is the property? In that property, the exterior angle of triangle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So sum of interior opposite angle. So this is the interior opposite angle is B and this one is interior opposite angle A. So when I join that, you can see it forms a semicircle which is again a 180 degree, and this is a verification that the exterior angle of triangle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles.